Hi guys, it's Ash. I'm just going to show you the features of Article Fiesta today. So here's Article Fiesta. I just log in. I'm already logged in, and I'm going to write a new article for my blog. So I've chosen the keyword how large language models work, and I'm going to post it to the Article Fiesta blog. I've got some advanced settings. I could make AI images and stuff, but I'm not going to do that right now. So it's really simple. I just click create my article, and there we go. That's getting written. I just link to my ones. That's better. So what's happening is in the background that article is going off and being written. It's looking for repeats in the content. It's looking for keywords to highlight. It's finding images. It's finding videos. It's ultimately trying to produce the best possible article that it can. So as we can see here, here's the Article Fiesta blog. As you can see, there's a bunch of new content that's set to come out coming soon. It's better to not post 500 million articles all at once. It's better to slowly delay your content and roll it out over time. At the moment, I'm doing about 2 or 3 per day. It's up to you how many you do. It takes me a while to edit stuff as well as work on the code, so that's as much as I've been able to do so far. I've got at least a week's worth of content. I don't do anything at the weekend because I don't really want to do anything at the weekend. So one thing that Article Fiesta will do that all of these other tools won't do is it will handle your categories and your tags. So you'll notice there's a bunch of categories. They've all got text against them. I'm willing to bet that most of you that have blogs probably haven't bothered to fill in this text. It's very important that you do. There's a bunch of tags. It's very important that you fill in these tags. You'll notice the one that I wrote manually is not got the thing in it, so I've failed there. And it's obviously very important to have a lot of content. So you can see I've got a bunch of scheduled content coming up, and I've got this nice pretty plugin that gives me a calendar view. So if I was to go back to Article Fiesta, hopefully this is done. No, a bit slow at the moment. I guess there's loads of people using the system. But it takes a minute. It's not the end of the world. It's a lot quicker than if I was to do it by hand. One of the other cool things that you can do is you can create bulk. So I could do, let's pretend I'm doing a soccer site. Now let's not do soccer. Let's do cats. So I could do cat. I could do cat harness. I could do cat ears. I don't know, best types of cat. Funny cat. If I was to do cat again, I can just remove that duplicate. I can remove any phrases that I've used before. And if I was to do that, it would obviously make content. There'd be 5 articles that get made. It'd take 2 minutes. Why is this so slow? Oh, there we go. So the whole video has been 3.5 minutes. If we look on here, it's going to schedule this as the next thing to go. So there we go. Understanding the complexities of large language models. So if we go here, we'll notice that we've got this giant hero thing. Yeah, this all looks really good. Got a table of contents. The table of contents has come in from a WordPress plugin, but you should always have that if you're running WordPress. You'll notice there's some H2s, H3s, some really sensible categories. All looks really good. It's highlighted this text in bold. That looks like it should be. Here's a link to, I don't know if you can see that down the bottom, but another blog post that's on this site. You notice I didn't do that, it just did that for me. Large number, second layer, large amounts. Neural network architecture, language pattern links to another blog post. A blog post called the top 5 AI enabled things. Here's a video on how to scale AI. Here's some beautifully bolded stuff there. There's another link to another blog post. All of this is fantastic, and all of this is going to rank really, really well in Google. And this is 2,370 words. You can't argue with that, can you? So brilliant, so easy. But yeah, that's how it works. Give it a go yourself.